हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल साइंस क्लासरूम। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे चैप्टर 1 दैट इज़ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस एंड फील्ड का कुछ एक्सरसाइज से डिस्कस करेंगे। आई टुक द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.6। पिछले वीडियो में मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.2 एंड 1.3 के बारे में बताया था। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.4 एंड 5 आर रिलेटेड टू थ्योरी। इस वीडियो में हम बस न्यूमेरिकल जिसमें है उसी के बारे में ही डिस्कस करेंगे। लेट्स चेक द क्वेश्चन। 4 point charges QA equal to 2 microcoulomb, QB equal to -5 microcoulomb, QC equal to 2 microcoulomb, QD equal to -5 microcoulomb are located at the corners of a square ABCD of side 10 centimeter. What is the force on a charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of the square? मैंने यहाँ पे एक स्क्वायर ड्रॉ किया हुआ है। in this square we have 4 charges and each charges are located at the corners of the square. That is QA is in A and QB is at B, QC at C and QD is at D corner. and जो चार्ज सेंटर में है उसका वैल्यू है 1 माइक्रोकूलम्ब। ये जो चार्ज का वैल्यू है 1 माइक्रोकूलम्ब। Okay, side of the square is 10 centimeter. Okay, and the side of the square is 10 centimeter. स्क्वायर का साइड है 10 सेंटीमीटर। मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है कि AB इक्वल टू BC इक्वल टू CD इक्वल टू DA। दिस AB, दिस BC, दिस CD एंड दिस DA इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, सो इस क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए हमें सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल को अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। वी कैन फाइंड फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन चार्ज प्लेस्ड एट द सेंटर यूजिंग सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल। वन मोर थिंग इज दैट द चार्ज प्लेस्ड एट द सेंटर is in the influence field of 4 charges located at the corners of the square. Okay, now let's start. And there are 2 diagonal in the square. The diagonal of the square is there is one formula, that is square or diagonal of a square is √2 into side. ठीक है, √2 into side and the diagonal AC इक्वल टू BD इक्वल टू हम क्या लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, √2 इंटू साइड, √2 इंटू 10 सेंटीमीटर। हमने सेंटीमीटर वाला को लिया, बाद में मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे। ओके, नाउ अनदर थिंग इज दैट देयर आर सम डायरेक्शन इन दिस फिगर, that is the direction of the force. I write the value of the charge, that is QA equal to 2 microcoulomb, QB equal to -5 microcoulomb, QC equal to 2 microcoulomb, QD equal to -5 microcoulomb and Q equal to 1 microcoulomb। एंड इसको कूलम में कन्वर्ट करने से 2 × 10⁻⁻6 कूलम -5 × 10⁻⁻6 कूलम, 2 × 10⁻⁻6 कूलम -5 × 10⁻⁻6 कूलम एंड 1 × 10⁻⁻6 कूलम। ठीक है, दिस इज द वैल्यूज ऑफ द गिवन क्वेश्चन। नाउ you see the values of the charges. Here QA equal to 2 and QV equal to -5, QC equal to 2 and QD equal to -5. The force acting FC towards O to A and the force acting towards O to C is FA. the force acting towards FB, towards B is FB, and force acting towards D is FD. Okay, so force on charge 1 microcoulomb due to QA is FA, which is away from QA and Q. Why? Because both are positive charges and repel each other. And another force which is on charge 1 microcoulomb due to QC is FC. Due to QC is FC. And which is away from both QC and Q. QC and Q. Why? Because both are positive charges and so repel each other. Okay, so another force on charge 1 microcoulomb due to QB is FB, which is towards QB. Why? Because QB is negative charge and Q is positive charge, so they attract each other. And another force on charge 1 microcoulomb due to QD is FD, which is towards QD, because QD is negative charge and Q is positive charge and will attract each other. Okay, so now write force between Q and force between Q and QA is FA. Okay, so FA इक्वल टू हम लिख सकते हैं, FA इक्वल टू हम लिख सकते हैं 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन और Q इंटू QA बाई OS². ओके, सो नाउ OA क्या होगा? दिस OA एंड OC. OA इक्वल टू BO इक्वल टू CO इक्वल टू DO इक्वल टू क्या होगा? दिस OA इक्वल टू हम लिख सकते हैं AC/2. तो OA AB ऑल आर इक्वल, सो हम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 10 इंटू √2/2, दैट इज 5 इंटू √2 सेंटीमीटर. 5 इंटू √2 सेंटीमीटर. तो OA का वैल्यू हमें क्या मिल गया यहाँ से? 5 इंटू √2 सेंटीमीटर. So now put the values of all this quantity, that is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q का वैल्यू कितना है? 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. QA का वैल्यू 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 5 into √2 into, इसको हम सेंटीमीटर को जो है इसको हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं 10 to the power minus 2 स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ जस्ट solving this numerical, that is 9 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 5 into square is 25 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. So 2 cancel, तो क्या रहता है? 9/25 into 10 to the power minus 3. ये 10 to the power minus 4 जब ऊपर जाएगा तो +4, सो इक्वल टू क्या होगा? 90/25. सो ये होगा 18/5 और इक्वल टू 3.6 न्यूटन. सो नाउ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ FA इज टुवर्ड्स O to C. FA is towards O to C. FA is directed towards O to C. Okay, now another force between Q and QC is FC. So therefore FC equal to 1/4 pi epsilon or Q into QC by OC². So again its value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. QC का वैल्यू क्या है? QC का वैल्यू 2 माइक्रोकूलम. सो 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole square. Okay, this is similar to the earlier value. So its result is also 3.6 Newton. 3.6 Newton. So FC is directed towards O to A. Okay, so now another force is force between Q and QB is FB. So therefore FB equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into QB by OB whole square. Okay, so its value is also 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 into QV का वैल्यू है -5 माइक्रो. तो यहाँ पे हम निगेटिव साइन को नहीं लेंगे, जस्ट वी टेक द पॉजिटिव साइन. सो 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 5 into root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. यहाँ पे 2 होगा. Okay, so this is a square. Okay, now putting the values, 9 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 by 25 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. So, 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus 4 by 10. So 90 by 10, that is 9 Newton. So FB equal to 9 Newton, FC equal to 9 Newton, and that is FA equal to this, and FB. Okay, now the direction of the force FB is direction of force FB is O to B. See in the figure, direction of force FB is O to B. And now another force between Q and QD is FD. That is FD equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into QD by OD square. So that is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 by OD square. को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? OD square is your OD is 5 into root 2 centimeter. So इसको हम लिखते हैं 5 into root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. So yeah, this is also similar to the earlier value. So we got 9 Newton. Okay, that is FD is also 9 Newton. Okay, we got four values of forces, that is FA, FB and FC and FD. So here we observe that FA and FC are same magnitude, that is FA and FC have same magnitude but they have opposite direction. So the net force on FA and FC are 0. Also FB and FD have same magnitude but they have opposite direction. So the net force on FB and FD are also 0. Thus the net force on 1 microcoulomb placed at the center is 0 as all the forces balances each other. So the answer of the question is that the force on a charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of the square is 0. Why? Because all the forces are balances to each other. That's why the answer of the question is 0. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.